Hey guys, hey guys, what's up? What's up? Hey guys, how are you? I couldn't be better. Okay, what are we doing? What are we doing? I hope we're doing everything well. Okay, this is my homework. Today, I'm talking about linking sound. Okay, case 1. Consonant and vowel. Make up. Did you? Wake up. Look at. Look after. A lot of money. Okay, case 2. Vowel and vowel. Do it. Do it. Go away. Too often. Too often. So why? So why? Okay. I am. The end. She yes. She yet. Okay. Case 3. Consonant and consonant. Racket. 1, 2. White table. 16. Take care. Okay. Case 4. The special situation. The special situation. What's your name? What's your name? Can you do it? Can you do it? Actually, don't you like it? Couldn't you? Haven't you? No, not yet. Can I get you a drink? Okay, case 2. Did you see yes? How did you like it? How did you like it? Could you tell? What did your family think? Did you find you guys? Congratulations. Education. Individual. Graduation. Okay. Case 3. Okay, case 3. Yes, you are. Bless you. Can you rest yourself? Okay. Case 4. How's your family? How was your chick? How's your friend? When's your birthday? She says you are okay. Who does your hat? Casual, visual, usual, vision. Okay, that's all. This is about linking sound. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.